Timebucks is a website that pays users to complete various online tasks such as surveys, watching videos, and signing up for offers. Here are some ways to earn money from Timebucks. Complete surveys. Timebucks offers paid surveys from various companies. You can earn money by completing these surveys, and the payout depends on the length and complexity of the survey. Watch videos. Timebucks also pays you for watching videos on their website. The videos are usually short and can range from entertainment to news and education. Sign up for offers. Timebucks also pays you to sign up for free trials or subscribe to services. The payout for these offers can be higher than other tasks, but make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Complete micro-tasks. Timebucks has various micro-tasks such as data entry, content creation, and social media tasks. These tasks are usually simple and pay less than surveys or offers, but they can add up over time. Refer friends. Timebucks has a referral program where you can earn a commission for every person you refer to the website. Share your referral link on social media, blogs, or forums to get more referrals. It's important to note that while Timebucks can provide a way to earn some extra money, it is unlikely to be a full-time income. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of each task carefully, and avoid any tasks that seem too good to be true. How to create Timebucks account. To create a Timebucks account, follow these steps. Go to the Timebucks website at www.timebucks.com. Or go to description and click at the link. Click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the page. You can sign up using your Facebook account, Google account, or by entering your email address and creating a password. If you choose to sign up with your email address, enter your first and last name, email address, and a password of your choice. Once you have entered your details, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Timebucks will send you a verification email to the email address you provided. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. After you have verified your account, you can log in and start earning money by completing various tasks such as surveys, watching videos, and signing up for offers. Remember to read the terms and conditions of each task carefully to ensure that you complete them correctly and receive payment for your efforts.